Hello, Steensy challenge lock number 8. Union barrel cylinder thing. No clues from the key, as usual. Let's have a look. Just going nice and gentle. Finding the high pins. And hopefully setting them. Just working pins 2 and 3 down a bit. Walking them down one after the other at the moment. Trying not to touch any of the other pins. I have to be very careful with this lock. I don't know if the pins are spaced slightly further apart than in a standard lock, than in a Euro that I'm used to. But I do tend to slip off them quite a lot, which is never great. A little click off pin 4 there. Something just reset. All that hard work. Why do I even bother? Come on. Still gently walking it down. Right, a little bit of a false set there. I'll stop and feel from the back again, see where things are at. Pin 5's stiffened up again. We'll go in with a slightly deeper hook. Try and get the back ones. Something happened there. That was nice. Come on. Yeah, there's a bit there. A little bit more on that one. Back to pin 5 again. Big false set. Big false set there. So I feel we're close. Nothing there. Nothing there. Right, back to pin 5, right at the back. Even bigger false set. on, we're nearly there. Nearly there, mate. Come on, where are you? We're at the back again. And there we go. Whew. I don't know if it's a tricky lock or if you've just got to be very dexterous to negotiate all the pins properly. It's a lock you've got to take your time with. Nice one, Steensy. Cheers.